video, I'm going to show you how to affiliate for this particular course, this particular product called the Master Smartphone Graphic Design, right? This particular product is going for 5,000 naira. I'm going to show you how to effectively market the product, right? Now, this is the G4G Digital Club. Now, this is a program where you're going to get access to all of these digital courses that you can affiliate for. The G4G Digital Club is a club where you're going to get access to all of these digital courses, digital products, right? That you can affiliate for and get commission, get 50% commission for all of these products, right? And there are more products that are going to be uploaded here, right? So I'm going to show you how to effectively market this particular product, right, using class, and I'm going to show you exactly and everything you need to know. So I'm going to be using Martha here to illustrate this thing for you so you understand perfectly, right? I'm going to be using her here. As we go into the video, you're going to see how Martha is going to play her role. Now, there are different ways you can market any product entirely, right? But one of the most effective ways to market a product is to host a class, right, or a webinar. So I'm going to show you what are the steps, the breakdown steps on how to host a class, right, from getting traffic to hosting the class, right? I'm going to show you exactly the blueprints to follow when you're hosting a class and to get effective results. Now, I'm also going to actually host a class, but I'm just showing you what to do. I'm going to show you how to do it when I have hosted the class and I finish everything, and I'm now going to make another video and show you how I did it, right? So just watch this video now and wait for the part 2 of how I did everything I'm just about to tell you to do now. Graphic design class, right? To host a class in graphic design, you need people. Now, that is the traffic. That is the traffic that most marketers, or maybe you've had it before, but you just need people. That is just what it means. Traffic means people, right? And it's not just everybody you need interested people, interested traffic, right? Now, where do you find this traffic? You find them on WhatsApp, on IG, on Facebook, etc., right? Online. That's where you find this traffic. You find them online. For this method, we are going to use WhatsApp TVs. Right, in this method, in my own method, what I'm going to use is WhatsApp TVs to actually draw traffic, right? So what did I say? First, to host a class, you need people, because you're not going to just talk to goats and sheep, right, or aliens, right? You need human beings to talk to human beings, right? So where to find the human beings? Online, right? You can find human beings online or even offline. How do you draw the interested people so as not to waste your time? You see, you can actually waste your time when you go to the market, or when you go to a place that the people that are most likely to be interested in your product are not there. So for instance, now, if I want to market pad, right, pad for women, right, do you think it's best for me to go to boys, to let's say a boys school or a boys hostel, right, or I should go to like a girls hostel? Most likely girls hostel, because girls are most likely the ones interested in pads, right? So that's what I mean. So you target the people that are most interested in the product. Now, for instance, for this case, is graphic design, right? So how do you do that in the midst of the crowd? How do you do that in a, let's say, where you cannot distinguish, you can't differentiate the people that are interested in a product and the people that are not? How do you do that? How you do that is specific ads message, right? Specific ads message. So now, if I want to target graphic design, right, I want to target graphic design, people interested in graphic design, most likely what I'm going to say now is, for instance, I'll just come and say, listen to me, you can never go broke after mastering graphic design. This is why. Every company online that know what it's doing needs graphic design. That is, they need you, they need I. Companies like Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Maggi. So I'm here to teach you the act of graphic design only using your mobile phone. A few months ago, I finished this training and my students were so happy, but I want to advance this course because it's not all about learning graphic design, but knowing how to target big business owners that are willing to pay you high amounts for working with. So the message should be specific for the interests of those people. I hope you're getting the point. So the message should be very, very, very specific, right? So learn graphic design is different from master the act of phone graphics. Now you have now brought it down to phone, to teach people how to use phone, because this is a phone graphic course. It's not like a graphic design whereby you can now use, let's say, laptops and so it's a phone. So you're specific with the message. That's just what I mean, right? So how do you use that? You use videos, you use text, you use audios, and use illustration that illustrates, that shows, that explains the topic, right, that you're trying to target. Now, when they start coming, when you have set your message and you have posted it or wherever you want these people to see and be interested, let's say you've run a Facebook ad, or you've paid for WhatsApp TVs, which I always recommend people to pay for, especially startup, if you're starting, you're a beginner, WhatsApp TVs, because it doesn't cost you so much, right, and there's not a lot of skills to learn, a lot of headache as a beginner. So when you pay the WhatsApp TVs with the kind of message, the kind of, you understand, specific message, then the people that are interested based on that message will now start to come. Now this is them and this is you, right? This is them and this is you. So now them, when they come, they'll say, hi, I want to join the graphic design class. So now let's say this is Martha. Now for instance, now Martha is the person that is interested in the graphic design that you have posted, right? Or whatsoever product that you decided to teach, right? She's interested. She has come to my DM. She has come to your DM, right? Martha is going to say, yeah, go.
Hello sir, I'm interested in graphic design class.
Then you're now going to say, okay, nice to meet you. Please save my number as Victor. What's your name so I can save? And then type done when you're done. So Martha will now save the number, right? So make sure you instruct her to save the number. Then you tell her to type done when she's done. So now Martha, are you done?
Yes, I'm done.
Good. Then I will now add Martha to the group, right? You will now add your prospect, your lead, or the person to the group. Right? Now, when you add the person to the group, the next thing you're going to do, the next thing I'm going to tell Martha is to, Martha, please can you help me repost this flyer so that other people can see, right, and join the class.
Okay, for sure, I will.
Now, the reason why I'm telling Martha to help me repost, the reason why you tell whoever, right, has come to your DM to help you repost is so that when the person reposts, Martha has friends, right, or people that are going to see the flyer. So you're going to get more people with just one person. Do you understand? So that is the steps you're going to follow to effectively utilize every unit, right? Effectively utilize everything you have, right? To be able to be successful, to be able to get more people, right? And to be able to get more sales. You understand? So that is why I said you're going to do all of this framework. Make sure you save, tell the person to save, right? And then you add the person to the group, right? Then you now propose the person to repost your flyer, right? Or your video, right? Whatever message or the medium of message you use, you get, right? So Martha, thank you very much. So now the next thing is how to retain Martha. That when, let's say, you have the class on Sunday, right? How do you retain Martha is now what we are going to look at. Now, how do you maintain their attention? Let me tell you something. You see, people's attention rate has reduced so drastically, right? So people are very, very distracted, right? There's a lot of things that is distracting people. So if, let's say, your class is supposed to be held on Sunday and this is Monday, so you want to gather a lot of people to come to your group before you host the class on Sunday. Most likely people will be distracted, right? Most likely people will be distracted. Okay, so now how do you maintain their attention, right? How do you maintain all? So now let's say, apart from Martha, the rest of the people that have come to your DM, right? And then you have now added them to the group because you're going to create a group, right? So you retain their attention by sending them the class. You understand? So the information about the class, when the class is going to hold, right? So the class is going to hold on Sunday by this time. Remind them. So let's say today is Monday, right? So let's say tomorrow you're going to remind them that class is going to hold by this time on this day. So as the day goes, you now start to do countdown, right? So let's say 6 days to class, right? 5 days to class, right? 4 days. Keep on reminding them, right? This is how you do. This is your message. This is you, right? Remind them, right? This is your message. Hi, don't forget the class starts so time, this and this, right? So remind them about tools and resources. So if there are tools, because there will be tools that they are going to download, right? Remind them about the tools and resources, right? So now, hi, please download these tools and resources. That's specifically for graphic design. So if, let's say, there's another product that you're going to teach them, right? Remind them based on those products. I hope I'm making myself clear. Please, I'm niching this thing down to just graphic design, right? But you can just take this whole concept and apply it to whatsoever product you're affiliating for. I hope you're getting the point. Now, post on your status, right? Post on your status so that you're going to intrigue them, right? Post, what are you going to post? Post stuff like stories, walks, right? Utilize other work. So something like this graphic design now, you can decide to utilize other, let's say, experts in graphic design, right? You can just post their work. Look at this work. Isn't it beautiful? Look at this work. Isn't it beautiful, right? So it stirs and intrigue. It gets them intrigued. It gets them more interested to anticipate, right, the class that is going to hold on Sunday, for instance, right? So I hope I am making myself clear. I hope you're understanding me. Now the next question you ask me is, okay, Victor, how do I host this class, right? How do I host this class? So you already understand everything. How do you then host this class? Like, what do you do in the first day, in the second day, in the third day, right? Now let me show you something. Now this is a structured plan, right? This is a structured plan on how to host the class, right? This is a structured plan on how to host the class. So it's a 2-day class. So if you're hosting the class, if you're starting the class on Sunday, it's going to end on Monday, right? Let's just say for this time you're starting class on Sunday, it's going to end on Monday. So let's say the class is going to be held for let's say around 8 to 9:30, right? So you're going to host the same time the next day, right? So today, let's say this is Sunday, right? For the class, this is Sunday. The first day, what you're going to do is the first day is the art of visual storytelling, right? So season 1, from broke to branding, why design matters, right? From 9 p.m. to this is just a whole structure that you can follow, right? So the key lessons, you're not going to look at all of this in story. Start with a relatable tale. So imagine you're in Lagos trying to sell sneakers online, right? One guy posts a clean, eye-catching flyer. Another just posts like, I guess sneakers for sale, DM. Who will make more sales? Now, you see, there's something we call the power of visuals, right? The power of designs. Design is very eye-catchy, and design can tell a lot of stories like illustration. So these are all the things that you're going to be teaching. So now, what is graphic design and why does it matter? Now, the psychology of colors. So all of this now, you can just copy everything now and then go to your AI and then just tell AI to just give you like what is graphic design, like that, because this is just like the stirring up. You understand? It's just like the stirring up for them to like push more interest in them, to carry them on a journey from the first day, second day to third day until the last day when you're now going to introduce the product to them. Hope I'm making myself clear. The last day you're going to introduce the product to them. So this PDF is going to be on the comment on the description of this video, so you can just get access to it for free. You can get access to it and use it for free, right? So that is how you can host a class, right? Now you see, the beautiful thing is that I'm going to do this thing. What I'm just telling you right now, I'm going to do it, and I'm going to record everything. I'm going to try as much as possible to record what I can record, right? And I'm going to also post it as the part 2 of this particular video. So you're going to see, I'm not just telling you what to do, I'm going to show you what I did, right? And just show you the outcome. But I'll recommend, see, this is like top-notch information I've given you, right? Top-notch information I've given you. So it depends on whether you want to use the information or not, right? So if you're wise enough, you can just sit down and think about all this information I've given you and then take advantage of it, right? So you can come to my DM. It's going to my contact link is going to be on the description of this video. You can contact me and say, Victor, I want to join the G4G affiliate program, not the school, right? So the school, you pay for the school to join, but for this program you can just get access and make you an affiliate for all the products, right? So you can just affiliate for all the products and get 50% commission for affiliating for the products, right? And you can now use this method of graphic design, right, and make sales with it, right? So I hope you got value from this video. Subscribe to the channel, share it with 5 people, right? Share it with 5 people, right? Yeah. Good next.
I'm gonna see you.